Hi everyone, my name is Rosemary and welcome to my week 12 screencast. I'm going to start off by looking at the NWS weather maps where I'm going to be interpreting those a little bit for you. And then I'm going to finish up with going over the tables of the predicted weather forecast that the NWS gave us. So first up is map 1, which is Sunday. As you can see here, Fairbanks has a stationary front, and there's also a high pressure above the front and a low pressure below it. Map 2 is Monday. As we can see, the low pressure system south of Alaska has moved west a little bit and is now over the Aleutians. Map 3, which is Tuesday, the weather front over Fairbanks has moved away and is now covering the northern and western coast of the state. There is an occluded front south of the central and eastern parts of the state. Right here. Map 4, which is Tuesday's forecast for Wednesday. The occluded front south of Alaska is predicted to move way north and hit all of the southern and south and southeast of Alaska. Map 5, which is Tuesday's forecast for Thursday. The low pressure system in the south is going to move west, but the rest of the occluded front is essentially going to remain in the exact same place. Map 6, which is Thursday. The occluded front looks exactly like how it was predicted to be on Tuesday. As you can see, it's kind of in the lower part of Alaska. There are now two low pressure systems near each other in the southwestern part of Alaska. This is slightly different than our predicted one low pressure system. So if we go back, you can see they predicted one. It's actually two. So moving on to map 7, this is Friday. The occluded front has retreated significantly south, but the two low pressure systems have remained just about in the same place. There is also a high pressure system over Juneau and a low pressure system over Ketchikan. Map 8, which is Friday's forecast for Saturday. The occluded front is expected to advance towards Alaska, but not quite make it towards the coast. The entire southern part of Alaska will have rain, and Fairbanks should have clear skies. Map 9, which is Friday's forecast for Sunday, the center of the low pressure system at the edge of the occluded front has now moved overland. The entire southern coast of Alaska is still expected to get rain. The interior is supposed to be cloudy and have rain or snow showers. Map 10, which is Sunday, Fairbanks does appear to be cloudy, however, there's no precipitation. Rain for the southern part of the state. There's rain there, and there's also a mix of snow showers. Alright, so moving on to our tables. As you can see on tables 3A, 3B, and then the 3 multiple choice questions, both of the forecasting methods were equally inaccurate. Certain cities were more accurate, for example, Dillingham and Bethel. For these two, the persistence forecasting was more accurate. In Dead Horse, however, the persisting forecast was less accurate than the climatology. The rest of the town showed about the same. The persistence forecasts for Dillingham and Kenai were very accurate, and the forecasts for Bethel and Eagle were the least accurate. As you can see in the tables, the NWS forecast for Bethel was completely off. They were also pretty inaccurate for Eagle. However, all of the other cities, it appeared, were pretty accurate. Alright, well, this wraps up my screencast for week 12. Thanks.